This is Adnan Ahmed. We are discussing passive structure, active and passive structure. This structure is used in all kinds of writing. So we are discussing regarding first year, second year university students how to use in writing skills. So we have three domains of this structure. One is tenses. Number second, we have modal verbs. The usage of will, may, might, can, have to, and has to, be supposed to, be going to. And the very last we have imperative sentence, and the last is to be sentences, to be and past participle, third person. So these are four domains that we have to use a passive structure. And hopefully tenses you have discussed in school life. It's easy for you. You can discuss yourself. So we are discussing first is modal verbs, next remaining two ideas. So modal verbs, first we have the structure or the formula, subject, modal verbs, the first form of the verb. Then we have object and phrase. This structure is used with all modal verbs, whether will, may, might, can, could, or have to, or has to, or be supposed to, or be going to. This structure is applicable in all kinds of verbs. Second is if we discuss about the formula regarding passive structures, we have object in all kinds of passive structure. Then we have modal verb, then be and past participle, third form of the verb. By, subject, and phrase. So example is he should follow traffic rules. We must have division of sentence. He subject, traffic rules, object, and should follow, this is verb. According to the rule of the passive structures, modal verbs object को हम पहले लेके आते हैं, राइट वन, उसके बाद हमने modal verb को यूज़ करना है, be यूज़ करते हैं, verb के third form को यूज़ करते हैं. He should follow traffic rules, traffic rules को हमने पहले यूज़ करना है. Traffic rules helping अब यहाँ पे क्या है, should है, तो शुड भी यूज़ कर देंगे. अगर यहाँ पे विल लिखा होता है विल भी यूज़ करते हैं, कैन भी यूज़ कर सकते थे, मस्ट भी यूज़ कर सकते थे. ट्रैफिक रूल्स शुड बी फॉलोड, राइट वन, इन ब्रैकेट भी है बाय हिम. सेकेंड इज शी मस्ट सॉल्व दिस इशू. सो द मॉडल वर्ब इज मस्ट लिखा हुआ है, मस्ट बी एंड थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे. शी सब्जेक्ट, मस्ट सॉल्व वर्ब, दिस इशू ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इशू को हमने फर्स्ट में यूज़ करना है. रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. Then we have the past participle, third form of the verb. We have helping of. So we have three divisions, or we have three structures, or we have three particles that we have changes in all kinds of passive structure. She subject, this issue is object. इसको replace कर देंगे. So this issue. Then we have must लिखा हुआ है, must be use कर देंगे, verb की third form आ जाएगी, past participle आएगा. This issue must be solved. By, in bracket, by her. It is not needed. One more example, they are going to play the match, or they are playing the match. This is very important for you, and most of the candidates they find problem, they commit mistake, or they do wrong, वो सही नहीं कर पाते. So we have two structure. One is modal verb, second we have present progressive. So first is they are going to play the match. ये present progressive नहीं है, this is not continuous tense, right one, this is a modal verb कहलाता है. And they are playing tennis, they are playing match, this is present progressive, so tense में आ सकता है. So we have different formula for both. They are playing a match, so subject is they and object we have the match. The match को आपने पहले यूज़ करना है, the match. हेल्पिंग यहाँ पे इज एम आर गोइंग टू लिखा हुआ है, वही यूज़ करेंगे हम. द मैच इज गोइंग टू बी प्लेड. सो बी एंड वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं इसमें. इफ आई डिस्कस अबाउट द फर्स्ट, दे आर प्लेइंग मैच, present progressive, the rule you have discussed, present progressive, match is being played by them. So we have two structure, both are different. Do not indulge yourself into complexity. So one is present progressive, number second we have modal verb कहलाएगा. जब भी लिखा होता है going to mention क्या होगा, that is called modal verb कहलाता है. और ing form जो है that is present progressive. So we have different structure regarding this. We have more practice. She is going to deliver a speech. She is subject, speech is object. So replacement of subject and object, speech को हम पहले लेके आ जाएंगे. So speech यूज़ करते हैं, is going to लिखा हुआ सेम होएगा. Speech is going to, So number second is he is going to help his friends. So we have two sentences, modal verbs. You have to change these two sentences. So first we say speech is going to be delivered. So subject and verb, subject and object replacement and then the helping of. शी इज़ गोइंग टू डिलीवर स्पीच, स्पीच ऑब्जेक्ट है और शी यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट है, इसको हम रिप्लेस कर देंगे. सो स्पीच हमने फर्स्ट में यूज़ कर दिया, इज़ गोइंग टू, ये आपका सेम होएगा. देन बी एंड थर्ड फॉर्म, स्पीच इज गोइंग टू बी डिलीवर्ड, राइट वन. सेकेंड इज इज गोइंग टू हेल्प हिज फ्रेंड्स ऑब्जेक्ट है, ही सब्जेक्ट कहलाएगा. वी हैव रिप्लेसमेंट. सो हिज फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे इज एम आर यूज़ करते हैं. हिज फ्रेंड्स आर गोइंग टू बी हेल्प्ड बाय हिम एंड सो एंड सो. Second idea is he has to get 90 marks at mathematics. Have to and has to, they're model verbs. So have to and has to be and third form. He subject 90 marks object at mathematics phrase कहलाता है. So have to और has to is helping of a model verb कहलाएगा. उसके बाद be and third form use करेंगे. So 90 marks is singular. 90 marks has to be gotten at mathematics by him. Getting this idea? They have to improve their reading skills. They have to improve their reading skills. They subject their reading skills object. So have to and has to model verb में आता है. So their reading skills has to नहीं आएगा. Their reading skills have to be improved. By mistake लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे deliver लिखा हुआ है, भाई यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? Improved आ जाएगा. Their reading skills have to be improved, right? We have practice of this idea regarding this. She has to improve her IT skills. They are going to study biology. He can get position in this semester, or she must change her attitude. They should clarify their position in this issue, or Pakistan may win the match regarding this idea. So this one is assignments you will solve by yourself. These all are the model verbs. Model verb means the usage of may, might, can, could, would, have to or has to, be supposed to, be going to, right? This idea. So second is imperative sentence. We have two domains of imperative, affirmative and negative sentence. So imperative sentence, respect your elders. One side we have respect verb and then object. We do not have a direct subject. यहाँ पे subject नहीं लिखा होगा. So the formula is let use करते हैं, object use करेंगे, be use करते हैं, verb के third form use करेंगे और phrase use कर देंगे. So one is number second is pay the bill, right one. Read this chapter loudly. So first is respect your elders. So one side we have object, let से start करते हैं, let your elders be respected. So let respect your elders, one side respect verb है, your elders object है, let your elders be respected. Number second, pay the bill. Let the bill be paid. P-A-I-D. Read this chapter loudly. This chapter, let this chapter be read loudly. Last is obey your seniors. So let your seniors be obeyed. So only one formula we have: let, then object, then be, past participle, and we have phrase. Again, it's easy for you. Just practice. You can understand. These all are the practice base. Second, we have negative idea. Never tell a lie, whether never or do not. So we have same. Do not waste your time. Formula is same. Only changes is the not we have to use. Late, then object, not to be. Then past participle and phrase. Never tell a lie. Late, a lie, not to be told. Do not waste your time. Later time, not to be wasted. So we have imperative sentence. So we have two demands of imperative sentence, affirmative and negative. So we have only one formula. With negative we have not, right? This idea. So for passive structures, if we discuss about in advance, so we have two parts of passive structures. One is in most of the papers will be given in exam in sentence. There are certain sentence you have to change from active to passive. But if we discuss about advanced level, so sentences are not considered. You will be given paragraph, right? One paragraph of 20 lines or 30 lines or maybe 50 lines. You have to change the entire paragraph into passive structure. Again, it is not difficult. You can use. This is all about passive structure. If you find any kind of problem or confusion in comment box, you can write down your questions. Within time, I will reply you. Thank you for watching this.